The first industrial revolution has changed the world. Machines are being used instead of manual labor. Advanced equipment manufacturing capability allows us to change the world. Kunshan Weijiang Automation Equipment Limited Company is a supplier who specializes in wire harness processing equipment. We have been in this industry for 13 years. We have strong product development team and reliable after-sales service. We are able to understand customer needs and provide reasonable solutions quickly. Our machines are mainly used for wire stripping, crimping, welding, bundling, and other processing. In the future, in a world where the quality is increasingly valued, we will take responsibility, dare to challenge with our customers to build a better future. Let's move on the future together.